Hey guys, today I have created this video to detail the process of becoming an editor or contributor towards my website, therecap.weebly.com. This domain name is going to change soon, as well as some other things, because I'm going to try to get an upgrade within Weebly. So here we go. So we see that in the articles, which is the homepage, I have uploaded several articles, 3, with polls, videos, text, and the headline. For editors, you're going to go here. You've already probably gone here to view this video. You're going to submit your editor application. So, for example, Joe Schmo at Weebly.com or whatever for the email, and then you must agree to responsibly edit the site in solely the article section, using only valid and appropriate content. Then you'll submit it. Your information will be submitted at that point, and then I'm gonna go into my little dashboard right here, click edit, and go to my settings, and then add the email address you gave me. Add that so you can become an editor. Now, once you become editor, you're going to want to edit this blog style site by clicking new post. Now, for the title, don't do story of the week like my headlines have been, because I use that to signify that I have written it, because I pick very important stories from the week and write a story from that, and the story of the week at the beginning signifies that it's mine, so you don't have to do that. So let's say in 2016, Hillary Clinton wins. Let's just say Hillary Clinton becomes president. Now, I probably would write a story about this as story of the week, but let's just say for whatever reason I didn't. And it would, you wouldn't put the story of the week, and you'd put whatever day it is. It would probably be November 2016. You'd go to 2016, November 5th or whatever. And then you would try and follow my format. So what I do is generally, you don't have to do a video. You can do a picture or video to start it off. But let's just say you're doing a video, like the majority of mine are. Oh, sorry. You just go to YouTube. Say, type in Hillary Clinton, something has to do with Hillary Clinton winning the election, right? Then you'd paste that right in the URL, and it would show up. You'd center it, you'd go to advanced, and just to make it consistent, you'd make the sizing large for the video. But you can also do a picture there, just relating to the story, or a file. So to do that, you'd add an image, upload the image, and it's pretty self-explanatory. So after you add your image or video or whatnot, you're gonna go into this little blog editor column right here and input a text section right underneath. You'll click to edit and say Hillary Clinton wins the election. Obviously, it would be more than that, probably several paragraphs relating to this statement. But now this isn't your usual size. You're gonna have to increase the font by 1 by pressing that little plus right there. You can indent. I believe the standard indent would be 12 spaces on this. That's what I do. And also only write an article if I would like for there not to be repeats with the article. So if somebody has already written something about Hillary Clinton winning, and I would probably do that as well for Story of the Week, then just don't write something that goes along those lines because it would be very repetitive. So what you want to do here is, as you've probably noticed, I put polls with my articles. So you're gonna want to go skip a space, bold, italics, and you're gonna do this week's poll, or not this week's poll. Let's just say it will just be poll, just poll, just like that. And then you're going to say statement, do you believe Hillary should have won? Hillary will make a good president. And you can elaborate, saying something, maybe reasons that she will make a good president, reasons that she wouldn't. You can elaborate in blah, 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 right here. And then under that, you're going to go to More, Poll, insert that right under the text, and it will say, come up as this, set up a new poll with Poll Daddy. You're going to click on it, center it, but that doesn't necessarily matter right now. You're going to edit the poll. These are all the my polls I've created so far. Your new poll would be, Will Clinton a good U.S. president? Will she make a good United States president? It could, for the answers, could be yes or no. You can save the poll. And this is the style that I like, so if you could keep it consistent and use the style, it's the 8th style. That has the yellow, black, the cool little vote button. And don't do medium or narrow, do wide, 630 pixels, good for blog posts. Go ahead and save that poll, add it to the page. And anyway, it will add it to the page. It's just glitching up right now. But anyhow, so you're going to add that to the page, and then you're going to have the headline, the video picture, the text, and then the poll. It doesn't show up in the editor, but it will show up when you publish it. And then that will publish, and you will have submitted an article, which will show up right here. And your poll will be here. So you can vote, you can view results, and it's pretty simple. You just, to create an article, and this will be the only section you will be editing. This is just stuff that I'm doing about me, contact, and of course this is where you apply and learn what the editing process is like. And again, this website will probably be changing in the next couple of days, the domain name and probably a bit more. So thank you. I'd like to thank you if you're considering contributing to the page or editing, becoming just an editor of the site, of current events, giving us important news stories, and it will really help out. And I'd just like to thank you for helping out with giving your input, adding these cool polls. I will try to do a monthly YouTube video showing the most popular polls and what the results were. So I'd really like to thank you for giving your take, not necessarily your take, but your just laying out the facts. That's what you're trying to do with the articles, and it's just very kind. So thank you for contributing. If you do indeed decide to become an editor. So that's all for this video. Thank you, and go submit some articles.